So we have been solving exercise 3.3. So this is the first problem. We have done 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. We finished using the substitution method. This is the sixth one. Let's try solving. So let's derive some value, x value from equation 1. So 3 by 2x minus 5 by 3y equals minus 2. This is our first equation, right? So to derive the x value from here, from these equations, I write 3 by 2x equals minus 2 3y. It goes to the other side, the whole term. So next step, x equals, I'm going to take the 3 by 2 other side. So it's go as division, right? Instead I write 2 by 3. So I say reciprocal of 3 by 2. So next 2 by 3 into minus 2 plus 5 by 3y. This is already there in the other side. The right side is already there, this term. The next step, x equals, let's multiply by 2 by 3 in the two terms, which gives me 2 by 3 into minus 2 plus 2 by 3 into 5 by 3y. Hope you understand till here. So listen carefully, it is little bit tricky. So let me multiply 2 into 2 minus 4 by 3 plus 2 5s are 10 by 3 3s are 9y. So in the next step, let's take the LCM of these two, 3 and 9. So LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. I hope you know very well how to find the LCM, 3, 9. So here 3, 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So the LCM is 3 into 3 equals 9. This is how you find the LCMs. Okay, coming back to our problem. LCM of 3, 9 is 9. So I put the denominator 9. So in the top I am going to multiply into 3 minus 4 into 3 plus here, because we already have 9, so don't need to multiply with any number, just 10 into y. So minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 plus 10y whole divided by 9. This is what our x is. Let's substitute the x value in the second equation. For x by 3, for x I am going to substitute the x value, the whole divided by 3, which is minus 12 plus 10y whole divided by 9. This is our x's, and the whole divided by 3. So this 3. I substituted x for this value and the whole divided by 3. Then the next value, y by 2 equals 13 by 6. We can write as it is. So in the next step, minus 12 plus 10y whole divided by these two terms, 9 and 3, or both are in denominator, right? 9 in this term, denominator of the whole term, and 3 is, the 9 is the denominator of this particular term, and 3 is the denominator of the whole term. So we can write the two denominator as one denominator, 9 into 3, plus y by 2 equals 13 by 6 minus 12 plus 10y, 3 9s are 27, plus y by 2 equals 13 by 6. We just simplify the whole term into this simple form. So let me again find the LCM of these two terms, which is 27 and 2. So how to find LCM? 2 and 27. We don't have any common number. We just multiply these two. That is what the LCM of these two number, which gives me 2 sevens are 4, 2 sevens are 14, 1, 2 twos are 4, 54. So here the 54 is our denominator. So let me write the 54 in the as a denominator. So in the top, this is whole term we are going to multiply by 2, and we are going to multiply y by 27. So 2 into minus 12 plus 10y plus 27y, which gives me which is equal 13 by 6. In the next step, let's multiply. All LCM and all addition are done. Let's multiply inside to find the value y. So 2 into minus 12 minus 24 plus 2 into equals 20y plus 27y as it is. The whole divided by 54 equals 13 by 6. Next step, minus 24 plus, let's add these two terms because these two terms are in y format. So 47y whole divided by 54 equals 13 by 6. Let's bring all the term except y term to the other side. So minus 24, so not minus 24, so we are going to bring it to the other side. So 47y equals minus 24 plus 24. If you go to other side, it will become plus 24. Okay, before that I bring the denominator to the other side. Later we will do this one. So minus 24 plus 47 y equals 13 by 6 into 54. Let's reduce it. 6, 8 6 are 54. So 9 6 are 54. So minus 24 plus 47 y equals 13 into 9. So minus 24 plus 47 y equals 13 into 9, 117. Then 47 y equals 117. I bring the minus 24 to the other side, will become plus 24. So 47 y equals 141. Then y equals 141 divided by 47. If I reduce these two terms, I get 3. So here y is 3. We found out the y value. Let's substitute in equation, any one equation. Let's substitute in the first equation. In equation 1. So 3 by 2 into x minus 5 by 3. For y I write 3 equals minus 2. 3 by 2x minus, let's multiply 3 5s are 15 by 3 equals minus 2. Let's take the LCM. LCM is 2 and 3, 6. So I multiply the top side by 3. 3 3s are 9x minus, so 15 into 2. 30 equals minus 2. The next step, let's cross multiply. 9x minus 30 equals minus 12. So 9x equals minus 12 plus 30. 9x equals 18. So x equals 18 by 9. So x equals 2.